Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 965 and I'm gonna show you how to edit or customize the glances list or menu on this watch. First we need to open the glances menu. To do it, tap on the screen to wake it up. And once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen. And if you see it, swipe up or down on the screen to open the glances menu. And we can edit this menu in a couple of ways. The first way is to reorder the glances. Then we can also add new glances and we can remove the glances. Also, we can create folders. So let's say you have some glances you want to have on this list, but you don't want to see them immediately. You just want to hide them in a folder. You can also do that. Okay, so to edit this menu, once you open it, press and hold the up button. And you will see a bunch of options. So we have reorder glance, remove glance, add glance, and create folder, like I said before. First, let's add a glance. To do it, select the add glance, scroll through the list, find the glance you want to add, and once you find it, tap on it to select it. And the glance will be added to your glances menu. If you want to reorder the glance, so basically you want to move it somewhere else on the list, up or down, select the glance you want to move, then press and hold the up button, select reorder glance, and now move it to the place you want it to be in and press the start button to confirm. And the glances or the glance will be moved. Let's see, here we have it at the top of the list. And the last option is to remove the glance. To remove the glance, select the one you like to remove, press and hold the up button, select the remove glance, and the glance will be gone. And like I said before, you can also create a folder. So let's say you want to hide some glances. Select the one you want to hide, then press and hold the up button, scroll down, select create folder, and the glance you selected will be checked automatically, but you can uncheck it if you want to. Now check the glances you want to hide in the folder, and then tap on done, press the start button, and we have option to move the glances to the folder or just copy them. I want to move them, then I'm gonna set the name for it. We have some presets, as you can see, but I'm just gonna tap on custom name and name it something myself. Okay, and once you're done naming it, you can select the check mark, come on, and press the start button. Now we can select the icon. Let's select maybe this one, and then press start button. And here we have our folder, as you can see, and you can tap on it to open it. Okay, we can also edit the glance menu through the settings. So if you press and hold the up button on the home screen, it will open the menu. We can scroll through it, select the option called appearance, and here we can select glances. And we have the list of glances, of course, and we can do the same things as we did before, but it's probably more, I would say, clear than the glances menu, because there you need to press and hold the up button to open the menu, and here you can just simply scroll down, tap on add glance, select the glance you want to add and tap on it, and then you can go back. And if you want to remove the glance, you just select it, press the start button, and then you can tap on the pen icon or press the start button again to remove it. And if you want to reorder the glances, you simply select the glance you want to move, press the start button, move it, and then press the start button to confirm. And the glances will be reordered. Okay, and that's how you edit or customize the glances menu on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.